Welcome to our channel. PTC Creo is a comprehensive 3D software, and I will be learning it step by step. Subscribe to my channel and stay updated. Learn how to design a wooden cup with ease using PTC Creo's powerful blend and pattern features. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a stunning wooden cup design from scratch using Creo's intuitive tools. From creating the initial shape to adding intricate patterns and details, we'll cover it all. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer, this video is perfect for anyone looking to improve their skills in 3D modeling and design. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started on designing this beautiful wooden cup. In this video, you will first create a design and draw a freehand sketch on paper. Then, open Creo and follow these steps. 1. Start by drawing a sketch and blending it according to the video instructions. 2. I covered 3 sketches in the video, but you can use more than 3. Make sure to adjust their heights in Blender, as shown in the video. 3. Once you have completed a part, pattern it around the center axis to finalize your cup. 4. Finally, render it in various scenes with different colors, angles, lighting effects, and environments. Enjoy the process. I believe that we have made significant progress. Initially, I thought that if my audience could see the work, it might be useful to society. This software is complete, and it will be understood. First, we need to establish the basics for someone to understand it. I need to ensure that my audience knows that this software is primarily for them.